I remember when I was a child. I thought like a child, I spoke like a child, and I reasoned as a child. But when I got older, it was time to put those things away. Now here's the truth. How you think determines how you live. I'll say that again. How you think determines how you live. If your mind is bound, then your life will be bound. You have to decide to stop playing small. You have to know that you are a leader. You are a boss. And that your very being here is for such a time as this. You're here for a purpose and you're here for a reason. Now, I get it. I get it. There were multiple times, and someone say multiple.
Multiple.
Shout it, multiple.
Multiple.
Like this, multiple.
Multiple.
Thank you. There were multiple times where I didn't know how I was going to make it through. There were times where I didn't know how I was going to make it through the month, how I was going to make it through the week. And there were some times where I didn't know how I was going to make it through the day. Can I be real? And it wasn't that I did anything wrong. It was that I did everything small. And playing it small kept me hidden. It kept me overlooked. It kept me undervalued. I wasn't pouring out everything that I had in me. I wasn't living out to my full potential. It was embarrassing. Until I decided that I was going to start living limitless. Now here's the thing. You're going to hear that and you're going to think that the key word to focus on is start. But the actual word to focus on is living. Because life has already begun. You are already living. Now we need to transition your minds from living to living limitless. And I've seen people around the world. People are stuck. People don't want to be living the lives they want. People don't want to believe that their lives can amount to more. And that's why I'm here to speak to you today. I've come to shift your perspective and to ignite something that's going to last. Something that's going to carry beyond your time. I have an MO that I operate in, and I want you to repeat it after me. It goes like this. A, yo, this my MO. Say,
Hey, yo, this my M.O.
I'm gonna thrive, pursue, respond. Let's go. Alright, let's stand. You guys acted too cold. Stiff. I need energy. I need enthusiasm. I need power. Alright, 3, 2, let's go. Hey, yo, this my MO. Thrive, pursue, respond. Again. Hey, yo, this my MO. Thrive, pursue, respond. Let's go. Brilliant, right, stay standing. Let me end with this. Go after what is yours. Because there is something for each and every one of you. You now have to make that decision that you're going to go out there and grab it. Listen, the future doesn't wait. So neither should you. Let's do it, gentlemen. I'm Mike O. Thank you so much for having me. Grace and peace to you all.